In the fast-evolving landscape of food safety, effective training is crucial to ensuring compliance with global regulatory standards, minimizing risk, and safeguarding brand reputation. I offer comprehensive training services tailored for food safety, manufacturing, production, and regulatory compliance, designed to empower organizations and elevate their food safety and quality assurance practices. Each training session is customized to meet the unique needs of the facility and the team, focusing on specific risk, regulatory requirements, and operational intricacies of the business. This approach maximizes the relevancy and impact of the training, leading to better understanding and compliance. My training programs cover not only essential food safety practices, but also nuances of adhering to national and international standards from the FDA to the USDA. I incorporate hands-on exercises, simulations, and real-world case studies, enabling participants to directly apply the skills and knowledge they gain. This practical approach ensures that your team is well prepared to handle compliance issues in real time. Each training is assessed for effectiveness, ensuring measurable improvements in food safety protocols and procedures. By enforcing these standards, organizations can create a culture of safety, leading to long-term gains in operational efficiency, product quality, and regulatory compliance. I also offer ongoing support and resource post-training to help teams stay up to date with industry advancements and regulatory updates. My aim is to build robust compliance systems that contribute to sustainable growth and success. With my extensive background in food safety and regulatory compliance, my training services provide an invaluable asset to organizations striving to achieve operational excellence and regulatory compliance. I am Donald Ray Abbott, your trusted partner in foods, beverages, and supplements.